Racing just started with a boom. Boom, boom, break quickly at a start. Super Wind moving up body of the Eagle swings bland ambition. Security Force Defiant comes next. Pink Lady, while Speedy Maki is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have boom. Boom, boom, by about 3/4 of a length lead. Super Wind in second, 3 lengths further back in third comes Eagle Swings, Bland Ambition, Defiant, moving up on the outside. Security Force is running by the rail, Pink Lady, and a long way back to Speedy Makia, who's still running at the tail of the field. Inside the 3 octavo, we have boom. Boom, boom, by about a length and a half. Super Wind remains in second. Defiant now trying to get closer in third. Eagle Swings, Bland Ambition, Security Force. Pink Lady comes next, and a long way back to Speedy McKee, who's still running at the tail of the field. And they are now entering the home stretch. A long shot, boom, 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 still in command, maintaining a 4 lengths lead. Moving up now to take second, down on the inside, Security Force. Pink Lady is on the outside, last 75 meters. We have boom, 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 followed now by Pink Lady, and finally boom, boom, boom. Pink Lady close with Security Force, then comes Defiant. Number 3, Super Wind, Speedy Makia.
27483.